Yo, welcome back to another video, you guys. Today we are installing tint on my taillights. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm recording. Alright, let's go.
Alright, for starters, Austin's gonna start doing stuff.
Let's go.
Since it's his car and I'm not fucking it up.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you do.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah, don't lie.
So
Spray.
Spray that. Is that water?
I hope so.
You want it to be water.
It smells like water.
Okay, you want it to be water, you guys.
Yeah, water has a smell, guys. And then you'll take that off and spray the back of it.
You're gonna have to spray it for me. Okay, not in one spot.
I'm not trying to.
There we go. Okay. And then you line it up as close as you can to the top.
You're struggling.
No. Okay. Spray some more water under there. All up. So basically you just want to do this.
And you want to squeegee all the water particles out.
Yeah, exactly.
So it doesn't bubble up.
Oh, there we go.
Doing great, buddy.
Am I?
I think so. Use the other side of it, maybe it's doing better.
Just like that, y'all.
Yeah.
You see how it works, you guys?
Yeah, and if it comes out really bad, basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna buy another thing of tint and learn again.
Yeah, basically. Because we have money
Yeah.
for that.
We definitely have YouTube money.
So right here, you're just gonna want to buff it out. Hold up.
Yeah, just buff it out.
Maybe you might pull it back up.
I wanna do that.
Yeah. We're gonna spray some more water on it.
Alright, we sprayed more water under it. You wanna get this it's not on there anyway. But you're missing this entire section.
I know, I don't know what you want me to do. It lines up perfectly there, but it doesn't move.
As you can tell, guys, first time ever. It looks good up top. Like, it doesn't look bad.
Oh, look. I know we gotta use a razor.
Yeah.
This part's what's fucked. You know? You might have to pull this part out.
Pull it and stretch it.
Yeah.
More water.
No. Let's see how it works. Dude, I'm just gonna work with it right now. What do you mean? It's not done yet. Like, it's getting better and better. What are you talking about? I just had to clean this part up a little bit. Like, it's almost there.
looks really good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Obviously that was a shit, but it's not that big of a deal.
Well, I know what kind of those are. Before and after. We'll do these sides first and then have that stay that way and push the boats on. It's getting all up in there, guys.
Okay.
Let us know what else you want us to wrap.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap so much.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap this hood next.
Wrap? Yeah, we're gonna wrap that.
Oh yeah, we're gonna wrap it matte black tomorrow.
Yeah, since we know how to wrap it on that.
Definitely doing that. So what are you doing right now?
I'm buffing this out.
You've been buffing that out?
It's something like that. Okay.
Looks good.
Does it?
From my camera angle, the forehead's in my camera.
Is it?
Yep.
You like that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. You know, he's got this kicker jackhammer sub in the back. He's
That's the wiring. It's something. There's more wires to it. All the rags we use to get the adhesive off.
And then we took this off for absolutely no reason. There's usually a thing here.
Something like that.
Yeah. This is supposed to actually go here. You can help Austin out. Start putting this back in for him.
That's always smart.
Not really smart, it's just something good people do.
Is it?
Yeah. So that's back in. He's missing one. I think he lost it.
Oh no, you lost it.
I didn't lose it. You lost it. Did not fall down under your car yet? No. We'll have to drive at 120 miles per hour and it should fall out.
Probably.
We might not find it, but it'll be alright.
At least it'll fall out.
You can squeegee it a little bit more.
Maybe.
You working with it?
Something like
You getting those angles, bro. Getting that. It's
I know,
something,
that's
right?
the only part.
You gotta stretch it out more.
Do I don't want to.
I mean, you could leave it like that. Is that how you want to leave it?
No, but that's how it might have to.
Wait, it's all right here.
I know.
Oh, so we'll have to peel all of it.
No, I'm not doing this. We're gonna
You want to smell it?
this way. Should we do it right or do it tight? Get the. Okay. Alright, guys.
Basically, he's tucking it underneath the chrome trim.
Yeah.
All the extra.
Hot.
No, there's not a whole lot going on, guys, but there's a big thing happen here.
Yeah.
So we'll take a pause and we'll come back when we finally get this one on.
Alright guys, we're back after that installation. I'm gonna show it to you.
And
There's
that
the
is
side.
idle light.
There's that.
So we'll show you what it looks like while it's on, and that's probably going to be about all for the video.
There's that side. And there's that. Looks pretty good if you ask me, guys. Let me know down. Peace.